As you can see here, Ice Storm Solo. My camera cut out, wouldn't be my video if it wasn't. All the things apart from creative say Ice Storm. This is why I'll bring you on the matches on. Just kidding, theory time. So my theory is the big Ice King bullets above Polar Peak. Can't miss it at that clock hands. And that is going to crack open. And turn the entire island into ice. And also crack open the dragon eggs. Is that... Which is why we're going to go Polar Peak. Check on the Ice King. Go over to Dusty. Because there's a house down here that has a TV in. Two hours. That still only gets us to 6 o'clock. I know. I'm going to go check the TV because they're the ones you need to check. I don't know if I figure out what this Ice Storm bit is on front of all the game modes, because they've covered the limited time modes and playground. They all have Ice Storm in front of them apart from creative. If I find out what it is, I will Insta about it. I don't know. So I'll see you guys at 7 o'clock with a video, hopefully recording the event.